Well, we have been tracking a few showers and storms this afternoon, with some of them becoming strong and even severe because of all the heat that we've had to fuel these thunderstorms. We do have that possibility of some strong wind and even small hail. So there's the radar view right now. First severe storm that we are watching is out in coastal Chatham County and into Bryan County. That's until 6:45 as far as the warning. Some small hail, damage, and wind gusts in excess of 50 or 60 miles per hour are possible. You can definitely see that the cell has expanded beyond that warning. So down to the south, further to the south, the southern part of Bryan County is where we are still dealing with some of that very heavy rain and the possibility of some strong winds as well. Out into Beaufort County, we do have a severe cell that is warned until 6:45. A lot of heavy rain, frequent lightning, strong wind gusts in excess of 50 or 60 miles per hour possible. This cell is moving generally to the southeast and east at around 15 miles per hour, so a little bit faster moving than the Bryan and Chatham County cell, which is almost stationary. A lot of heavy rain is occurring around the area down to the south along and just to the east of I-95, coastal McIntosh County and Liberty County dealing with some of that rain as well. As far as interior Bryan County, we can see some of that heavier rain developing as well. That is moving toward Pooler and Interstate 95. So we're going to be dealing with the showers, a few more storms over the next few hours, and be careful on the roadways. As long as we do have these storms, we do have that possibility of heavy rain. Viper radar estimating that some spots getting a quick half an inch to even over an inch of rain. For interior Bryan County, over 2 inches estimated by radar. Earlier this afternoon, or evening I should say, when the storm started to develop, we had a pretty nice rainbow over downtown Savannah as that heaviest was pushing just to the east of the city. Right now we can see some of that activity developing further inland. Heavy rain just past the Talmadge Bridge there, but that's that cell that's a little bit further in. Earlier in the day, we had high temperatures reaching the middle and upper 90s, still feeling very hot out there even as temperatures start to cool off. Feels like values are generally in the 90s for the cooler locations, but another very hot and humid day is expected for our Tuesday, starting off with temperatures in the 70s and lower 80s, climbing again into the middle and upper 90s. With the increase in cloud cover, the high humidity and heat with us, we do have the potential for a few stronger storms developing, but most of us will miss out on that altogether. But it's going to be getting even hotter as the week goes on, possibly challenging a record high for Thursday. For Friday, forecast high of 98 degrees. Record high is currently 102 degrees, set back in 1925. High pressure continues to drive in the extra warm and humid air into the southeastern U.S., fueling those showers and storms, but an overall drier pattern will be setting up over the next few days. For tomorrow, though, still have that risk of a few thunderstorms as we head into the afternoon, with that potential for some cells to be fairly heavy even into the early evening hours. Temperatures cooling off at that point, but as we do go into the later evening and overnight hours of Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning, conditions will be drying out once again. For tonight, 77 for the low temperature, definitely staying warm and muggy. And then for tomorrow, mid to upper 90s for those high temperatures, getting even hotter as the week goes on. And if you're lucky, a few of those thunderstorms will develop over your area, and that will help to cool conditions off. But more storms are expected once again as we get toward the weekend. High temperatures remain fairly hot, even with those increasing storm chances. So we will have to watch out for the potential for a few of those to become strong or severe.
Yeah, the strong storms today had me wondering as they pounded our studio here on Victory Drive.
Yeah, definitely heavy rain coming down, and it's still coming down for some of us.
Okay, thank you.
Up next in sports.